Many all trash coming from the ocean, then beach trash mostly come from us.
So, could you please teach me to say in the Filipino language, minimize igalang.
Igalang ang kagubatan or gubat.
Ito naman kasi ba? Okay.
We are Dynamo! One vote, one heartbeat!
Why Dynamo? Dynamo, comprised of Filipinos in Hong Kong, is passionate about the natural environment. They are frequently involved in nature cleanup activities and even won third prize in Adventure Cleanup Hong Kong.
Hi, this is Josie. We have heard that a group of Filipino are very good at beach cleanups and they have accepted the Green Earth Challenge. So here I am today to learn from them. Let's go!
Styrofoam already. That's so sad. Styrofoam are most dangerous thing in the ocean. It's a microplastic.
Most unforgettable trash you have seen in Hong Kong so far during a coastal cleanup?
I see. Condom.
Yeah. So how do you learn the technique here?
We just use common sense.
Oh. Been here since 1996, so that's 29
Okay.
years.
Great. Do you like Hong Kong? So after so many years?
It's so unique. You can go up to the trail in 2 hours, then come back and have a, party with your friends in the afternoon. If I could stay here all my life, I would like to stay. This is my second home.
So what's your favorite place in Hong Kong?
I have so many favorite
Pick
places.
one.
Pick one? Okay. West Dog.
Okay.
My favorite place in Hong Kong is the hills.
Sharp Peak. That is the most difficult for me because I'm not really doing hiking, and then only the team is encouraged me to do hiking.
Way back in my younger, very early years of hiking, I meet people who are very into adventure and jump into waterfalls if we want to, just give that kind of high adrenaline rush. But that was as you age, probably you think, oh my God, why? Looking back at my pictures,
Why would I do that?
Why did I do that? I'm so glad I'm still alive until now.
And I saw a lot of hikers doing TikTok in the edge. And West Dog, the ridge there, it's dangerous, like just that space, and they are doing TikTok and dancing in the ridge. So I kind of tell them nicely, politely, to be safe.
Why don't you just buy something and then dispose it somewhere? Why do you prepare?
No, because we care about our nature.
We have dinuguan, we have barbecue, that's chicken, this one, dinakdakan, and of course, we are Filipino, we love rice.
淨灘之後咁攰咧，多謝咁多姐姐準備食。
I wasn't expecting a picnic here during a cleanup. Is that usually how you do it?
This is a very Filipino culture.
It's really good that you prepare your own food. You don't make waste.
We want to be an environmental friendly team. So I think for people to take care of the environment means respect nature and appreciate what you have. I think this is having to throw all your trash it's not a nice way to give back to nature.
How do we say plan and be prepared?
Magplano at maghanda.
How do we say travel and camp on durable surfaces?
Okay, it's paglalakbay at kampo sa matibay na ibabaw.
Tamang
itapon
ang basura.
ang basura.
Iwanan ang nahanap mo. Bawasan ang mga epekto ng campfire.
Igalang ang wildlife.
Being considerate sa iba.
我有自己嘅
我有自己嘅
水準。
水準。 我要世界嘅最終。
And we'll keep our nature clean together. Thank you all of you. Love our nature, leave no trace.